In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the role of a user in Base44 quickly and easily. If you manage a project with multiple users, this is a simple way to update permissions and make sure everyone has the right access level. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your Base44 project. Once you're inside the project, click on the dashboard. From there, look for the users section and click on users to see the full list of people added to your project. Now find the user whose role you want to change. On the right side of that user, click the three dots menu. This will open additional actions for that account. From the menu, select Edit User. A window or panel will appear with the user's details and settings. Find the role dropdown, click it, and then choose the preferred role you want to assign to that user. Make sure you select the correct role based on the access you want them to have in the project. Once you've made the change, click Submit to save it. That's it. The user's role has now been updated in Base44. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more Base44 tips and tricks.